In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Zendesk. If you're ready to enhance your customer service capabilities with this robust platform, follow along and let's get started. First, go ahead and visit the official Zendesk download page. It's important to ensure you're on the legitimate site, so double-check the URL or use a trusted search engine to guide you there. Once you're on the page, you're presented with different versions of Zendesk, depending on your operating system. Here, you'll want to choose the version that corresponds to your machine, whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Selecting the correct version is crucial because the installer files are specifically tailored to work seamlessly with the operating system you're using. Choosing the right one ensures that Zendesk runs smoothly without any hiccups. Once you've identified and selected your operating system, it's time to download the software. You'll see a download button appear. Go ahead and click it. Depending on your internet connection, this might take a little time, so be patient. Once the download completes, locate the installer file, which is usually in your Downloads folder unless you've set your browser to save files elsewhere. Now, double-click on the installer to run it. This action will initiate the installation process and lead you through a series of steps, all accompanied by clear on-screen instructions. It's a straightforward process, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure a successful installation. During this installation, you might be prompted with messages asking for your permission or to confirm certain actions, particularly if you're using security software or built-in operating system protections. It's normal to encounter this, so don't be alarmed. Simply grant the necessary permissions to let the installation proceed. Stay on top of the process, reading each prompt thoroughly because occasionally you might have options to customize where Zendesk is installed or even which components you want to include. These choices can impact how Zendesk functions for you, so make them as per your needs or stick with the default settings if you're unsure. Once you've followed all the instructions and the progress bar finally reaches the end, the installation will be complete. You might be given the option to launch Zendesk right away with a simple click. Do take this opportunity to open the application and ensure that everything is working as expected. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Zendesk. Feel free to explore its features and get acclimated to the interface. Whether you're diving into customer queries or organizing your team's communication, you're now equipped to do it all with Zendesk. Remember, the first step to mastering any tool is getting comfortable with its installation, and now you've checked that box. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.